Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make comparison videos. First, let's open a clean PowerPoint page. I choose black background. You can also make your own color combination. Here I choose a hexagon. I rotate it to make it look prettier and color it. I'm removing the outlines because they don't look nice. Now I'm giving some effect. We make it look 3D. I choose a rectangle and set it. I choose another rectangle that will be smaller. We also add our last rectangular piece. The coloring process is up to your own preference. You can adjust it however you want, but colors close to this are usually preferred. Finally, I copy and paste this large square to duplicate and adjust it. Next is setting up the text boxes. After you set one, you can copy and paste the others to the same standard. I am writing the numerical data in this part. I'm writing a name for this part. And finally, I add a photo with short information to this part. Now we will duplicate this template we made. Let's zoom out a bit and make sure we select everything we see on the screen. We reproduce it again with copy-paste. We repeat this process several times. When you think you've copied enough, don't forget to group. In this way, all templates will become one piece. And now we move on to the animation part. We choose the movement to the left. Then we extend this red dot and move it to the left. When we reach the end point, we stop. You can also adjust the animation settings as I have shown. You can set the delay part if you want a delay at the start. Duration part also determines the duration of your video. Let's check it more closely. Since I did 35 seconds, it will continue for 35 seconds. That's the whole process. Let's record the video now. You can save it in 4K or however you want. The video is ready. Now let's look at the final version. It continues this way. I hope the video was helpful. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. You can write your views in the comments. Thanks for watching.